Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube icon or logo. Guys, before you get started, make sure you smash that like button if you enjoy this, and if you didn't enjoy this, well, you know what to do there. Guys, let's go into the video, and I really hope you enjoy it and hope you learned something. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser, whatever it might be, and then you want to go up here practically and type in Google. Now in this Google search bar, you just want to type in Canva, so you've already got it there. So I'm going to type in CNVA. Alright. And you just click on that first link you see. So Canva is free for life. As you can see here, there is a paid version for $17.99 a month, which I do have, but it's up to you guys if you want to do that. So you can either start a 30-day Canva free trial or just get free Canva. For me, I'm just going to log in. Now I really like Canva because it's intuitive, and you don't need a lot of skill in order to use Canva, which I really appreciate. So there's two things this video I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to do one using a template. Then I'm going to show you one making it from scratch, and this will just be, obviously the way I'll do it. So what you want to do here is you go up to the Canva search. You want to type in YouTube go, and it'll just come up here. Just click on it, and it'll bring you to this little page of different ones. These are all templates. So I'm going to show you how to do one from a template first. So I'm just going to click on, I don't know, I like this one here. Now, some of them you need to be paid in order to use them, but if you want me to do a video discussing and showing you guys how the whole paid thing works and what do you get with the paid version, leave that in the comments below and I'll check it out. Alright, so there's many things you can do here. For me, my channel name is Ben's Gaming Life, but sometimes that doesn't fit into a specific logo. So sometimes you have to either shorten it or paragraph it. You know what I mean. So me, this is Ben's Gaming Life. You can, obviously if it's too big, you can just press Control A on your keyboard, or you can just click until it highlights. I'm going to drop that size down a bit. Or if you want to do the quick and easy way, you just, right, there we go. So this is the template, and these little lines here tell you that it's even and flush. So that's flush and that's even, right? You don't have to have that color in the background. You could also just go to background. If you want to just get the free backgrounds, normally you can go up here and choose them, but most of them, or majority of them, are free. For me, let's choose something that kind of suits that white. Look at that. For some people that might not like that, but you got the cool grainy sort of chalk sort of feeling. That's kind of nice, isn't it? Yeah. There we go. So that's sort of how you can do a template, which is really, really easy for the beginners who don't know much about how Canva works. Now what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to quickly take you over. I might do a bit more of a depth into how to make your own and how I made my own, if that suits you guys. So we're just going to go exit this tab. To make your own, guys, you just click on this this create a blank YouTube channel logo. Just click on that. I'll take you to another browser and stuff here. So to start off with, say you want to do a text and maybe a background or something. So I'm going to click on this little text button. You have three main ones you can choose from, where you can choose the other one. These little pre-made sort of font text. Some of them are free, some of them are not. Like I said in the beginning of the video, just click on this text here. All right, let's go back. Let me just go Ben's Gaming Life. Simple and easy, all right? You're just going to drag that up using the top right corner there. There, it's flush in the middle. We can either change the font up here if you want. Same thing, some are free, some aren't free. These are the ones that I use regularly because they're in that category. I like the Horizon one. There we go. Sometimes you will have to readjust it though. Mine I didn't really have to. I want like a cool background behind mine. I'm gonna gently pull that down just a tad. There we go, so that's even. I need to go photos, I think. Nope, no, there we go. So you get this cool little thing is like, let me just find it. I like to put these in. So I get like a really kind of enlarge it. Just like that. And the good thing about this thing is I can just, what if I've got my uploads I can chuck in there for a logo? Oh, here we go. Look at that. And I can like color the background. There's many things you can do. Or I can just, because remember when you do the logo, you're not gonna it's gonna cut off half of it too. Alright. So you put that there. We can obviously change the color of this text. I'm gonna make it white. Stick you there. Maybe what else can we do? Go back to shapes. Let's have a look at all the shapes because you can do. Yeah, that's me. So proud of myself. If you guys are enjoying this, a sub to the channel would be awesome. Just trying to find something. Alright, we're going to change that to white, and then white. And what you can do sometimes is you just take that up. So now you've got that there, you can like change the primary color. Alright. So you're just adding two different sort of colors, colored squares to give it that. Let's like change that color. See, that blends in too much. No. Great. What blends in with the yellow? That's too blue. Alright, let's go with that color. And let's go another square. Another one. Alright. When we go blue and grey, no. Blue and green, no. Just open that out a bit. And then when you're finished, press Control A and you group them. There you go, guys. So that's how you can make a free YouTube logo for free. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would mean the world to me, and smash that like button as it will help me get my videos out there and the algorithm to spot my videos. Guys, if you enjoyed this, you guys are beauty, and I'll see you guys next video. And just have a look around my channel if you're new. Might be some videos you might like. Any questions about my new changes in my programs, guys, please email me at bensgaminglifework@outlook.com and I'll get back to you. And if you've got any other suggestions, things you want me to do, just let me know. I still do gameplays, and when Forza Horizon 5 comes out, I'll be doing a video on that as well. So get subscribed if you want to see that. See you guys. Thank you for stopping by.